Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'm going to say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then together we'll blend the word. S, p, o, a, sh. Splash. S, t, a, m, p. Stamp. K, r, I, s, p. Crisp. S, o, e, p. Slept. T, w, I, s, t. Twist. This is the last one, and it's a long one, so listen carefully. B, l, a, n, k, e, t. Blanket. That was a big one. All right. Now we're going to practice segmenting our phonemes. So I'm going to say a word, you repeat the word, and then you're going to chop it. I'll chop it with you, but you're going to chop it into its individual phonemes. The first word is shield. Sh, e, o, d. Craft. K, r, a, f, t. Skunk. S, k, n, k. Blast. B, l, a, s, t. Sleepy. S, l, e, p, e. Good. All right, get your fists ready. We are going to substitute phonemes. The word is chat. Change ch to fl. Flat. The word is flat. Change fl to sk. Scat. The word is scat. Change sk to spl. Slat. The word is that. Change v to ch. Chat. The word is skip. Change sk to dr. Drip. The word is drip. Change dr to tr. Trip. The word is trip. Change tr to sl. Slip. Good. All right, now we're going to, let's see if I can turn my page here. We are going to add phonemes. We're doing it a little bit differently this week. Normally we start with the ending word part and add a sound to the beginning to make our word. This week we are starting with the beginning word part and we're adding a phoneme to the end to change our word. Here we go. The word is sell. Add f to the end. Self. The word is mill. Add k to the end. Milk. The word is fell. Add t to the end. Felt. The word is 10. Add s to the end. Tense. The word is in. Add ch to the end. Inch. The word is plan. Add t to the end. Plant. All right, last exercise, we are deleting final phonemes. We're starting with the word and removing the ending sound. The word is wind. Without d, the word is win. The word is fork. Without k, The word is for. The word is silk. Without k, the word is sill. The word is halt. Without t, the word is haul. The word is pinch. Without ch, the word is pin. The word is stand. Without d, the word is stan. Nice job today.